Okay, let's continue on. Innate behavior are not learned, you are born with them. Are fully functional the first time they are performed. No experience needed to acquire behavior. And are inherited. Genes determine this behavior. Examples of innate behavior: fish, the ability to swim; chickens, pecking, so the ability to eat; lovebirds, and nesting, or nest building. Learned behaviors. Behaviors animals are not born with. They are acquired or modified by experience. Behaviors are learned from observations and experiences, often learned from parents. Some examples of this would be migration. This is an innate behavior. I'm sorry, it's not an example of learned. It's an innate behavior. It's a seasonal movement of animals from one place to another. It allows the animals to take advantage of resources in another location, food or water. Hibernation is an innate behavior. Resting state that helps animals survive in the winter because food is not available. Warm-blooded animals like slow down its heart rate and breathing. Learned behavior, here are some examples of that, where we can teach a dog to fetch, or a bear that has to teach the other bear to how to hunt and get food. And then we have the example of classical conditioning. And if we read the slides, it says unconditioned response. The dog salivates in response to seeing food. A condition would be every time the dog sees food, we ring a bell. Another conditioned response would be, as we have done this, then if we ring a bell, then the dog would just start to salivate. Okay, going back to your thinking map, we are going to write in learned and inherited traits. So learned behaviors are influenced by the environment. Things like things like spoken language, hunting, reading, those are all examples of that. Inherited traits, physical attributes of an organism passed down. These things would be like hair color, height, allergies. So now you're going to write your so what and so why. So what is this map about? Okay, and I've created a sentence starter there. Heredity is, and go ahead and write what it is. So why? Why is this important for us to know? And here's your sentence stem that you can use if you would like. Heredity is important because, if you need more time, make sure you pause the video.